Looking for an easy way to edit PDFs? Let's get started. First, let's open Google and type the pdffox.com in the search bar. Click on the first result to access the PDF Fox website. Now, navigate to the Convert from PDF section. Next, click on PDF to PNG to start converting your images. You can either click on Choose Files or simply drag and drop your files. You can choose to convert all pages at once or select specific pages for conversion. Press Ctrl and select the pages you wish to convert. Then press Start Images Extraction to process your file. Your conversion is now complete. Click on Download to save your new PDF file.